Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create oil paint video editing in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and first of all I'm going to apply effect to my video. We can go to the effect menu right here and then go to the video effect, and in this video effect we need to go to the lens category, this one, and you can scroll down until you find HDR effect. Okay, you can apply this effect to your video, and then you can click on adjust and you can increase the glow just like this, and you can also increase the filter as well and the intensity. Okay, and for the amount I'm just going to increase it a little bit. Okay, and we can click on the check mark and you can make the effect align with your video like this. You just need to drag it. All right, and now it's done, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create oil paint video editing in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.